Today is 5th of June and World Environment Day. On this day, you will find that there are lots of articles that details with the environmental conditions that are there in our country in the Hindu. At the same time, this article, it talks about, well, El Nino, it becomes an economic crisis. Now, this talks about that when it comes to the El Nino, it is not just a weather phenomena, but a developmental crisis in India. Now, this is impacting the Indian economy through several means. That is, it is impacting the laborers. All right, so that is the workers which cannot they cannot escape the outdoor exposure. Like, for example, we have agricultural laborers, we have bike riders, we have the construction laborers, the delivery riders, the street vendors, and even the agricultural laborers. So because of this, what will happen is because of the El Nino, the temperature will rise and they will be impacting the most. The second thing that it tells about is the second channel, that is the agriculture. And it says, according to the Reuters study or the report in 2026. So when it comes to India, so India is dependent on nearly 70% of the rainfall that is required in India right now for the water crops and for the recharge of the aquifers and the groundwater as well. And if there will be El Nino, that ultimately means that there will be less rainfall and that will be, or India will be impacted because of this. Also, there is the price shock. That is the third channel. Because right now what is happening is in the April 2026, the food inflation, according to the government, or the CPI or the consumer price index, was 4.2%. And if there will be failure of the crops because of the lesser rainfall, so it will impact on the food prices as well, where the food prices will move upwards and there will be more of the inflation of the food products. So ultimately, there is the third channel where the ultimate impact of the El Nino, it will be seen in the economic scenario. And that is the food prices, they will climb. And ultimately, that will lead to the, rising of the food inflation as well. Also, there is another thing is about the urban India where we have they are increasingly, they are becoming the heat traps because of the concretization and the shrinking of the green cover. But over here, the burden is also unequal because the poor, they are hit the hardest or they are the most vulnerable. So therefore, the El Nino is not merely a weather event that we can see, but also a development challenge that is there in front of India. And this is one of the news that we have discussed in our today's The Hindu Analysis. If you have not watched it, so watch it now, and also do not forget to join me every day at 9:30 a.m. so that we can do the complete Hindu analysis and we can see which all important articles were there in the Hindu. So that would be all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and Jai Hind.